Family photos are around. Near the gate is this small patio where the mayor hangs out to read the papers. Let's go to what Hanilet calls the most beautiful area of their home, the living room. It's really not much. A modest sala set with a television. This is where Duterte hosts his high-profile guests. Though they could afford to renovate and expand their house, Hanilet says the mayor is just not up for it.
Sa ayaw na, miski na sa room, mas gusto niya yung room niya maliit. Kumbaga parang kung may claustrophobic, di ba? Siya baliktad, ayaw parang
nagkuha nga ko yung remote.
Just a few steps away is the dining area. Again, it's as fuss-free as it gets. Just 4 seats here, already more than enough for the mayor, Hanilet, and their daughter Veronica. Nearby is the couple's wine collection, most of which are given to them as gifts. The mayor quit drinking, so Hanilet says she sometimes gives the bottles as gifts to their friends. The mayor is not very fond of eating out. When he has engagements outside, he often goes back home to have his meals. His favorite dish? Apparently, mostly fried food.
Kasi noon kasi nag-aral-aral pa ako ng Chinese. Hindi naman mga simple lang pagkain na gusto niya. Mga prito na lahat. O mga munggo lang, mga ganon.
We couldn't go inside the mayor's room because he was still sleeping when we visited his home. But here's a photo of him there later on in the day. He's with his daughter, getting ready for the busy day ahead. His bed has a mosquito net. His things are all around. His house is simple, ordinary, far from where he could stay if he wins the presidency.
Okay, thank you.
Ina Andalong, CNN Philippines, Davao City.